Welcome to qnawire.
In this question, we have to find the shear flow at point A and point B and the maximum shear flow when there is a force V equals 7 kip applied to the beam. Now, from the figure in the textbook, we can have the Y bar, that is the level of the neutral axis, and we have that it is equal to 0.836 inches. So you can have I, which are the moment of inertia from the neutral axis, and it is 92.569 inches to the power 4. And next we have to find QA, QB, and Qmax. So QA is y bar that 1 times area A that 1. Area A that 1 is a red area here, and y bar that 1 is this level. We will have that y bar that 1 is 2.586. Area A that 1 is 2 times 0.5, so we have that QA is 2.586 cubic inches, and QB is y bar that 2, A that 2, and area A that 2 is the red area here, and the level y bar that 2 is here. Okay, and it is 3.414 times 7 times 0.5, that is 11.95 cubic inches. Now for the Qmax, we can find it from the sigma y that y bar that A that which is these two green area and the red area here. So that means have to find 2 of y bar here, y bar that 3 here, it is 1.582 times area, the green area is 3.164 times 0.5 plus the red area y that 2, it is QB 11.95, so Qmax is 16.953 cubic inches. Now we can find the shear flow. For QA, it is V QA divided by I, and that is 196 pounds per inches. And for QB, it is 1/2 V QB divided by I, and it is 452 pounds per inches. For QC, for Qmax, it is 1/2 V Qmax divided by I, and it is 641 pounds per inches. And these are the answers.